ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used VW Grand California 4-berth camper. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely Grand Cali comes in a two-tone paint colour, with the top half being candy white in solid paint and the lower half is a sunshine yellow wrap. The vehicle comes with front fog lamps with a cornering function, as well as front and rear parking sensors. Across the front right up top there is also a solar collector on the roof, handy for staying green and keeping your equipment charged up on the go. This vehicle sits on the very stylish 17-inch Lismore silver alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Standing back, we can get a feel for the larger feel of this Grand Cali. Along the side are some of the outlets which you may need for all the amenities that you need whilst you're on the go. The vehicle comes fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and is accompanied with an automatic gearbox, providing maximum comfort on those longer or even those short journeys. The rear of the vehicle features those barn door style doors, which are very useful for loading and unloading in a variety of different situations. Underneath we have a very spacious storage compartment, as well as some cupboards, which Grand Cali would be complete without the foldable table and foldable chairs, which store very nicely into the rear barn doors on the inside. Again, if you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. The vehicle features a sliding door located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Once operated, the electronically retractable step will deploy, allowing for a more easy access into the rear passenger area. So, taking a step in, let's take a look at the Grand Cali's interior. The seats come very comfortable, finished in that lovely valley fabric seat trim covers. Towards the rear we have a very comfortable bed layout with additional storage up top as well. The vehicle features ambient lighting, which can be changed in what mood you're feeling. I've left it in the orange yellow colour to match the outside of this vehicle. There are also some charging points dotted around the sleeping areas, very useful. The vehicle also features a 2-hob cooker as well as a foldable tap in the sink, along with a fridge freezer. The vehicle comes with a very stylish and thought out bathroom with a cassette toilet, foldable bathroom sink, as well as a spot for hanging the shower. The mirror locks into space and also hides some of the storage options in the bathroom, useful for storing all of the necessities that you will need on your camping trip away. Upon closing the door, the bathroom light will shut off automatically as well. Here we can also take a look at the screen setting, which controls ambient lighting and a few different options as well. Don't worry about any flickering on the screen that you see, this is just due to the camera's low refresh rate. And of course, the overhead cab bunk bed has a button that will be pushed and locks into place, along with easy access with the ladders. Once you are done with it, a simple reversal of the process stores the overhead cab bunk very easily away. The driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a colour touchscreen infotainment system. The 2 front seats are able to be fully turned around, providing a very spacious dinette. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude the 360 walk around of this vehicle. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.